If you're still typing essays from scratch or taking notes the hard way, you're missing out. These 5 free AI tools will seriously change the way you study, and might even save your GPA. What's up? It's Kerr, and welcome back to Z-Hub, where we bring Gen Z the smartest tools in tech, education, and beyond. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools every student needs in 2025. Whether you're in high school or college, these apps will help you work smarter, not harder. First up, Notion AI. This isn't just a note-taking app, it's your second brain. You can ask it to summarize class notes, brainstorm ideas, even draft essays for you. You write the prompt, and Notion does the heavy lifting. It's perfect for organizing your life and crushing assignments at the same time. Next is GrammarlyGO. Sure, Grammarly fixes your grammar, but GrammarlyGO rewrites your sentences, improves tone, and helps you sound smarter instantly. Need a formal email, a chill essay, or just a clearer paragraph? One click and done. Number 3, ChatGPT. This one's a classic, but if you're not using it as a student, you're sleeping on gold. Ask it to explain tough concepts, create study guides, or help write outlines. Pro tip, give it detailed prompts for better results. At number 4, Canva Magic Write. Designing a class presentation? Canva does the slides and writes the content. It's built right into Canva Docs, and the templates are super Gen Z friendly, perfect for group projects or last-minute visuals. And finally, Perplexity AI. Think of it like ChatGPT, but with real-time web search and citations. It's amazing for research papers or finding fast answers with sources you can trust. So real quick, your new AI starter pack: 1, Notion AI, 2, GrammarlyGO, 3, ChatGPT, 4, Canva Magic Write, 5, Perplexity AI. If you found even one of these tools helpful, hit that subscribe button. Z-Hub drops weekly videos that help Gen Z work smarter, stay ahead, and level up. We're just getting started. And hey, drop a comment with your favorite AI tool or one I should check out next. Thanks for watching, stay smart, stay curious, and I'll catch you next time on Z-Hub.